Hi, Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Corona, California looking at this beautiful model home by Lennar Homes. Come join me in this beautiful house tour.
This is a 5-bedroom, 4 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. It has an attached casita with a separate entrance. Today we are in the gated community Sierra Bella, which is in the Sierra del Oro area of Corona, California. We will be viewing the Residence 4 model, which is a 2-story home by Lennar Homes, showcased with optional builder upgrades. The open floor plan home measures approximately 4,167 square feet. This spacious living room, also known as a great room, has an elegant fireplace, glass doors, and recessed lights. They decorated the game room with eye-catching trim and a door to the spacious backyard. It would be perfect for entertaining your guests for barbecues and pool parties. It almost feels like your own private oasis and will be a terrific spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our fabulous Southern California weather. The dining room is bright with lots of windows and fantastic views of the backyard. The modern kitchen has sleek countertops, stunning backsplash, and beautiful cabinets. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, such as a cooktop stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. The center island has a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you just feel like having a quick bite to eat. The walk-in pantry has lots of shelving and is tucked away in the corner. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The builder has added a relaxing outdoor living area with a covered patio, ceiling fan, and a fireplace, which is also known as a California room. This model home also has direct garage access, perfect when you come back from shopping. They also made great use of the stairs by adding storage and a coat closet underneath. If you want to search for new homes, I'll put a link in the description below. The powder room has a toilet and a cabinet with a sink. The multi-generational suite has a kitchenette, a carpeted bedroom with windows, and an ensuite bathroom with shower. You will also find a closet and laundry. It also has a separate entrance and a living room. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. This home also includes heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat. The second bedroom has a closet, windows, and an attached bathroom with cabinets, a sink, toilet, and a shower. The third bedroom is carpeted, has a window, and a walk-in closet. The fourth bedroom has windows, a walk-in closet, and carpet. Down the hall, you will find the guest bathroom, which has dual sinks and a private water closet with shower in the bathtub. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. This model home has a large loft with a ceiling fan and lots of windows that really bring the light in. The large laundry room is featured with cabinets, shelves, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. The master bedroom suite is stunning and also has lots of windows and a covered balcony to enjoy the beautiful views of Corona, California below. The builder added a sparkling pool and spa. It would feel so good on warm days and cozy on cold nights. The coffered ceilings are very dramatic and adds a formal touch. The master walk-in closet is rather large and has storage shelves, single and double pulls, with plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. The attached master bathroom is quite large and striking. It has dual sinks, a vanity, a soaking tub, shower, and a private water closet. This home also includes green features, such as dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater.
If you like this home and are interested in a private tour, or for more information, please give me a call. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.
This gorgeous new home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.